You know, I've never worked with leather before, so today I decided to make a leather vambrace without stitching. Let's get to it. What I'm doing here, just kind of guessing what it seems right to me. Else you'll start ripping hairs. Alrighty, this turned out pretty good. This was a clean, fun, simple build that I was able to do. It gave me a little bit more confidence to dive into something a little bit more complex and actually start stitching with some thread, some wax thread, and see where this takes me. I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for the next one.